Hi, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I will be showing you exactly how to put a link into your TikTok bio. It is very simple to do, so let's get started right away. The first thing you need to do is open up the TikTok app. From here, you want to go to your profile on the bottom right. Once you're at the screen, you want to click on the three little lines in the top right, then click Settings and Privacy. Then you want to click Manage Account. And then from here, you need to switch your personal account to business account. If you already have a business account, it will say switch to personal account. So I'm just going to click this, click next. I'm just going to click other. And now I'm in the business account. And you can see this because now if you click on the three lines again, it's going to have the business suite. So once you're on your business account, all you need to do is click on edit profile. And then here you can put in your email, nonprofit. And then once you have 1,000 followers on your TikTok account, you'll be able to put a link into your bio. However, you need 1,000 followers. So if you just open up a new account, you're not able to do it. So all you need to do is post a couple of videos and get up to 1,000 followers. And then you'll be able to put a link into your bio. Hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to leave a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.